how to turn off personalization on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to disable personalization option on Gmail PC easy and fast. So first thing you have to do is go to Gmail and go here, click on the settings option and click on see all settings right here, and it will take you to this page. Here you will find many options. As you can see, scroll down until you find the personalization option. Where is it? And yeah, here is it right here in the smart compose personalization. Here click on personalization off and scroll down and click save changes. Very easy and fast, as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.